In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round corners in Google Slides for both shapes and images. Whether you're preparing a slick presentation or just want to add a touch of style, rounding corners can significantly enhance the aesthetics of your slides. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. Start by heading over to Google Slides. Open your web browser and visit the Google Slides website. If you're not already signed in, enter your Google account credentials. This step is important because accessing your projects or creating new presentations requires you to be signed in. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Google Slides homepage. If you haven't been here before, this is where all your saved presentations are displayed and where you can start new projects. To create a new presentation, click on the option for a blank presentation or select a template that suits your needs. For this tutorial, starting with a blank presentation will keep things simple, though a template could give you a head start if you have specific design requirements. With your new presentation open, let's add some shapes. Click on the Insert option in the top menu, then select Shape from the drop-down menu. This will open another submenu with various shape options. For today, we'll choose a rounded rectangle, which comes pre-equipped with rounded corners and is quick and easy to start using. But what if you want to customize the degree of rounding or apply it to a specific image? Google Slides doesn't offer advanced corner rounding adjustments directly in the app. However, you can use third-party editing tools for more specific needs. For shapes, once your rounded rectangle is added, you can click and drag the sizing handles to adjust its size while keeping the corners proportional. If you need more flexibility or further customization, consider designing your shape in software like Google Drawings or other graphics tools where you have more control over corner radius. You can then import those elements back into Google Slides. Rounding corners of images isn't directly supported in Google Slides. To round the corners of an image, use external editing software like Photoshop or Canva. Once edited, you can drag and drop or upload the altered image into your Google Slides presentation. By following these steps, you can enhance your Google Slides presentations through the simple yet effective technique of rounding corners. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.